Hello, my name is Andres Chalela, and this is the installation and maintenance video for the CodeVR 1.0 project. In this video, I will be guiding the viewer through all the necessary software components that have to be installed for successfully launching, developing, and maintaining the CodeVR 1.0 Unreal Engine 4 application and source-to-source compiler. To get started on the virtual 3D development for CodeVR 1.0, a developer has to install Unreal Game Engine 4. The game development platform is the foundation of the virtual 3D application and is what supports the mechanics that allow users to render and interact with the 3D programming objects. The Unreal Development Kit is free for developers and can be easily downloaded from the official Unreal Engine website. Additionally, Microsoft Visual Studio has to be downloaded for script development and to build the C++ files of the project. Future releases of the project will require more scripting for 3D object functionality and behavior. Therefore, it would be wise to download at least the free version of Visual Studio Community. Active computer science students within the FIU community who wish to contribute to the project can download a free version of Visual Studio Enterprise from the Microsoft Imagine store. For development of the source-to-source compiler, a developer has to install Antler 4, Java 8, and Spring Tool Suite. Java 8 can be downloaded from Oracle's official website. By downloading Spring Tool Suite, we can download the Antler 4 IDE plugin and all the Antler 4 dependencies via the Maven integration that Spring Tool Suite has. Finally, the actual project files for both the Unreal Engine application and the source-to-source compiler have to be downloaded from the Senior Design or the FIU Open HID repositories on GitHub. Once downloaded, the Unreal project can be quickly launched on the development platform for further development and maintenance. The compiler can be expanded on by adding to the lexer and parser grammar rules to further increase the complexity of the supported CodeVR programming language. The lexer defines the supported language tokens and keywords. The parser validates that the textual input matches the supported syntax and structure of the CodeVR language. Together, these two components allow the generation of the parse tree, which allows the translation to Python to be possible. For expanding on the translation capabilities of the CodeVR language application, the CodeVR to Python class has to be further developed. This class calls a parse tree walker and traverses the nodes of the generated CodeVR parse tree. As it exits each node, the corresponding Python equivalent source code is generated within the tree. Once traversed, the translated Python code from the tree is retrieved and written to its respective directory within the project. Using a similar approach, future developers can add support for more translation to high-level languages like C++ and JavaScript. The source-to-source language application has to be maintained alongside the development of the CodeVR language to account for the increased support of new programming concepts such as loops and classes. That sums up the installation and maintenance video for the CodeVR 1.0 project. Thank you for watching.